ViralDashboard evolution. Created to help you leverage the new trends emerging in 2021. Drive unlimited free traffic to your e-com stores, video platforms and DAMP blog channels from all social media channels using a single dashboard. First of its kind 2021-ready social management platform explodes traffic. Access all social media platforms, e-com stores, video platforms and blog channels. Get ViralDashboard evolution now, instant access. Find, create and DAMP. Share your content for massive traffic, engagement and DAMP sales. Make your content go wildly viral in just 60 seconds. Built-in library of stunning videos, images and multimedia assets. Automate and DAMP. Grow your business without paid ads. Drive unlimited free traffic to your sites, blogs, products and DAMP services. 100% beginner-friendly, zero coding, design or technical skills. Stop paying high monthly fees to automate your social media tasks. Look what others are saying about dominating on social media. And this is the exact direct result of pressing a few buttons. Yep. 3 quick and DAMP simple steps are all it takes. Step number 1. Browse content. Step #2. Choose accounts. Step number 3. One-click share. Get ViralDashboard evolution now, instant access. Business growth in 2021 will heavily rely social media and DAMP. Here's why. Failure to adapt is failure to profit. Considering that 3.5 billion people, about half the world's population, are on social media daily, it's not surprising that 99% of marketers agree that social media is somewhat or very effective in their business strategy, and about 54% of customers use to research products. 71% of consumers who have had a positive experience with a brand on social media are likely to recommend the brand to their friends and family. But social media doesn't bring results overnight. In fact, building a presence and seeing the ROI will likely take years. Studies show the average person today has about 8 social media accounts. If your brand is present on even a few of those platforms, you will appear to exist everywhere in that person's life. And in 2020, in the face of the pandemic-induced lockdowns, brands faced an urgent choice: go social or go bust. Businesses that have invested more resources into social media management since the pandemic started have seen incredible results. Brands are quickly understanding the importance of creating a strong social media presence. The proof lies in the reduction of their mainstream media advertising budgets and increase in social media influencer collaborations. Budweiser Brewing Group continued to earn through their social media campaign Save Pub Life to buy a gift card now and DAMP spend later at their local pub. Krispy Kreme launched #Best Sweet Saturdays on their Instagram to remind their patrons to be kind and DAMP share a free dozen of donuts with their neighbors on the purchase of a dozen. Nike's commitment to social distancing on their social media with Stay Inside, Play for the World approach painted them in a positive light when compared to Adidas' reluctance to close brick and DAMP mortar stores. There are only 2 things in common between these smart brands: awesome content and DAMP effective use of social media. And to do these, you have 3 options. Option number 1. Do it yourself. Here all you've got to do is set your goals clearly, increase brand awareness, generate leads and DAMP sales, grow your brand, increase web traffic, research your target audience, establish your most important metrics like reach, clicks, engagement, hashtag performance, likes, etc. Dig in what your competitors are doing. Create and damp. Curate engaging content. Get access to different tools to find, create, and post content, all the while trying to somehow make them work together. Post and damp. Reply to comments at specific times for maximum engagement. Post and reply to comments at specific times for maximum engagement. Assess what's working, what isn't, and how you can improve. And most importantly, find someone who will actually run your business while you do all of this. Option number 2. Hire someone to do it for you. Just be prepared to pay through your nose. Chase them to make sure they do their job properly. Put your business's future into their hands. Option number 3. Get access to a state-of-the-art tool that we built to use in-house and see results like these. Introducing powerful 21-in-1 jam-packed, game-changing tools. Unlimited posting, unlimited scheduling. Create, manage, publish and damp, schedule on social media and see results like these. Pages, groups, profile, organization, boards, pins, locations, posts, business accounts, profile. Get ViralDashboard Evolution now, instant access. Complete content marketing and damp, social media domination. In just 3 simple steps. Step #1. Browse and damp. Discover. Our artificial intelligence technology goes beyond expectations in matching your requirements with a wide range of viral content options. Browse the most successful campaigns within your personalized dashboard. Step number 2. Create and damp. Customize. Create unlimited posts campaigns using our state-of-the-art and damp, simplistic tools. A few clicks are all that it takes to create viral content. Step number 3. Schedule and damp. Publish. Publish your content instantly across platforms like Twitter, IG, Facebook pages, LinkedIn, YouTube, Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy with a simple click and damp. Witness the magic unfold. ViralDashboard Evolution is ridiculously powerful. Our users agree. ViralDashboard Evolution is perfect for marketers, business owners. Sell your product remotely by creating your social media customer base. Post effortless creative content and damp. Grow with the insights. Agencies, enterprise level businesses. Say goodbye to expensive rinse and damp. Heavy maintenance. Sell your products on social media. Post updates of discounts and product details with great ease. Social media marketers. Create effective content by customizing hot-selling content. Save on your manual work by using our schedule and damp. Publish feature across platforms with one simple click. E-com sellers. Say goodbye to expensive rinse and damp. Heavy maintenance. Sell your products on social media. Post updates of discounts and product details with great ease. Startups. Create brand awareness and make your new business idea viral. Brands. Create topical and perfectly timed content to enjoy continued brand recall and damp customer loyalty. Digital product sellers. Combine the usage of social media and damp videos to create power pack campaigns that sell more. Affiliate marketers. Earn more commissions by promoting affiliate offers across the most used social media platforms. Coaches, consultants. Promote your services among your niche to gain popularity and quick profits.